Now, I promised you guys the mystery door. I said, no matter what we talk about tonight, we're opening the mystery door. So let's open it. I'm really, really excited about this. I have huge news, and you are some of the first people to hear it. I have been working with DLX, our internal IT, to create an AI search companion for you in your research process. And that is also accessible on your research guide. So if you look here on the left, the very last tab says Library AI Search Companion Beta, because it's new. We're still working on it. But if you click on that, it will bring up a chat client. The way that this works is you can put your full research question in here, or you can ask it for a specific kind of resource, like I need peer-reviewed journal articles about first-generation college students in the last 5 years. You can type all of that into the box. No keywords, no ands, no quotation marks, just how you would ask the question. And it will create a search string for you that you can copy and paste into the library search bar. Let's do it, actually. I need peer-reviewed journal articles about first-generation college students. The articles should be less than 5 years old. It will think for a second, and then it will pull out a search string. And it uses way more tricks than I do to get those results really specific from the very beginning. So your job is then to highlight the kind of complicated looking search string that it provides. You can see it has first generation college students. It used the quotation marks. It says something about academic journals, and it gives a time frame. And it has some letters and funky things happening with it. You don't have to worry about what those mean. Just copy it and then paste it into the Discovery search engine. Or if you have Lean installed, you can do the right click, search at MU. And that search string is specifically engineered to speak to this search engine in the language it knows. So what it will do is it will search for the keywords first generation college students. It will narrow to academic journals, and it will narrow to time frame. So that was our mystery door. We have this search companion here for you. It can also do things like if you're looking for a specific database, like I want the link to ERIC database. Typically, it can turn around the direct link for that as well. We have some additional functionality that we're currently training it to do that I won't spoil yet, but it will make it even cooler. Yeah, see, you can access it right here. And if you click on that, it will take you to the library's link for it. This bot is rad. I wish that I'd had it when I was a student. I really do. And you can see that the way that it puts its search string together is different from what I would make organically, from what you would make organically. It can add a lot of specificity right up front. So I really encourage you to play with it and give me feedback about it, even if it's bad. I want to know if you break it, if something goes wrong, shoot me an email and let me know what happened because I am actively working to improve it all the time. Now, earlier when we talked about generative AI, this is not generative. It will not write a paper for you. It only knows what I've taught it. So it is trained on a really, really hyper-specific data set. So you don't have to worry about plagiarism or anything like that if you use this bot. It is here for one purpose, and it is to find research articles.